Hello friends, sorry. Welcome to Crusader Academy's online classes. This is Rupesh Jadhav. Today I am dealing with the same topic of India Airbook chapter number 8, Communication and Information Technology, and this is part 3. Earlier I have made two videos on this topic, that is Communication and Information Technology. If you have missed it, please check it out, and this is going to be part 3. Okay, so let's go further. Now the today's topic is rural business. So what is rural business? Actually rural business is not as it is as you are considering the name rural business in rural. It is not so. Okay, it is the division RB. Okay, it is the division of Department of Post. Okay, we check out the rural network spread across the length and breadth of the country to provide accessible and affordable financial and postal services to the people in rural areas. So try to understand. Again, I am going to point it out. We have first Ministry of Communication. Okay, under that there is Department of Post, and under this is department, and now this become the division. Okay, under this department there is a division called as rural business. It is not just a business in rural, it means it is a division of rural business, which check out all the financial and postal services in the for the people living in rural area. Now coming to the next point, which is very much important, as I have told you earlier, the questions comes on this postal life insurance, that is PLI. It was introduced on 1st Feb 1884. So it is giving life insurance, okay, for the benefit of postal employees, and later it was extended to the people of employees of telegraph department. So earlier when it was launched in 1884, it was for the postal employees. Now it has been extended to the telegraph department in 1888. Okay, now again more. So the government, it now covers the employees of central and state government, also central and state public sector undertaking, universities, government aided educational institute, nationalized bank, local bodies. Okay, they have also extended the facility to defense services, paramilitary services. Okay, and to the scheduled commercial bank, cooperative societies, joint venture having 10% minimum stake of central and state government. Okay, then educational and universities institution affiliated to UGC, CBSE, then All India Council of Technical Education, Medical Council of India. So these, other than these, professionals such as doctors, engineer, management consultant, chartered account, architecture, lawyers, banker, etc., who are the professional, they have been also extended, and the employees of the listed companies of National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange. So try to understand who has been given this postal life insurance. Farmers are not included in this, daily wage workers are not included in this, only state government, central government, or government aided institutions and people working in that, other than defense. And main thing is professionals such as doctor, engineers, management consultant, chartered accountants, architect, lawyer, bankers are also being covered under this postal life insurance. Firstly, now there are 4 postal life insurance. Okay, 4 to 6 something. So the starting with the upper insurance limit is rupees 4,000 upper. Okay, maximum sum assured is rupees 50 lakh for all schemes. Okay, upper insurance limit is rupees 4,000 and maximum sum assured जो बाद में मिलेगा, it is rupees 50 lakhs. Okay, so वो पॉलिसी होल्डर के आंकड़े दिए हुए हैं, so it is not that much, it is what we say. कभी कभी पूछा जाता है, once there was a question that how many ASHA workers are there. So in that case I can say that there are 64.6 16 lakh policy holders. ओके, तो 65 lakhs आप टेंटेटिवली पकड़ के रखिए, 65 लाख लोगों ने ये पॉलिसी निकाली है. ओके, प्रीमियम इनकम ऑफ पोस्टल लाइफ इंश्योरेंस फॉर 2000. ओके, फॉरगेट दिस, इट इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. Postal life insurance also manage a group of insurance scheme for the extra departmental employees, okay, of Gramin Dak Sevak, which are working, means Gramin Dak Sevak are not the regular means full timers, or what we say, not appointed by government of India like the other employees. These are the people who are working on behalf of the Department of Post, like a postman. Whatever service the postman is giving, those are done by this Gramin Dak Sevaks. Now the main point, okay, as I told you, so it offers 6 types of plans. Now check out Surekha plan. It is not Surakha, it should be Surekha. Then second is Suvidha. Then third is Santosh. Then fourth is Sumangal. Then fifth is Yugal Suraksha. And the sixth is Bal Jeevan Bima Yojana. Okay, Bal Jeevan Bima. So postal life insurance offer these 6 types of plans. Number one, Surekha, it is Surekha, then Suvidha, then Santosh, then Sumangal, then Yugal Suraksha, and then child policy, children policy, Bal Jeevan Bima. So again coming back, this first one, that is Surekha. Okay, it is whole life insurance. It is whole life insurance. Then Suvidha, it is convertible, that up to certain age I want life insurance and after that I don't want this. Okay, or some changes can be done. Then endowment. Okay, only एक बार गया सो गया. So it is Santosh. So second is Suvidha. This Suvidha is the second. Then Santosh is the third. Then anticipated endowment is the fourth, Sumangal. Joint life, you and the family, any family member, it is Yugal Suraksha. And child policy, it is Bal Jeevan Bima. Then this is offered by Rural Post Life Insurance. So it started from 1995. Okay, so it is offered by Rural Postal Life Insurance for 1995 to provide insurance cover to rural public. So it is not for the urban public, it is for rural public, because for urban public there is already this postal life insurance. Not this. There is this one. Where is that? Indian. No. Where it has been? I have just marked. This one. Postal life insurance. It include all the people, but the farmers are not included. For the farmers and the people who are working in rural area. Okay. So for that, these are for rural peoples. So try to understand this. It is for only rural people living in rural area. Okay. So it also offers 6 types of plan. The same. I am extremely sorry. This is for all. And this is for rural people, because the word gram is added before everyone. I am extremely sorry. Please pardon me. It is for rural people. So 6 types of plans. The same is there. Whole life insurance. It is Surekha to Gram Surekha. Then it is convertible life insurance. It is Suvidha, to here it is Gram Suvidha. Then endowment assurance Santosh, it is Gram Santosh. So word gram is added. Okay. Then endowment, anticipated endowment, here it is Sumangal, so it is Gram Sumangal. And joint life insurance, that is Yugal. So instead of that Yugal Suraksha, there is 10-year RPLI Gram Priya. Instead of this Gram Yugal Suraksha, so in place of Yugal Suraksha, okay, it is under PLI. So it has been replaced by under RPLI, Rural Postal Life Insurance. So it is provided by Gram Priya. Okay, try to understand. And the last one is Children Bima, Bal Jeevan Bima. That is the same, but it should be again Gram Bal Jeevan Bima. Okay, So this was very much important. This the question always come on this. So try to go back and take out the notes from this. You should definitely, I assured you the question will be definitely there on this part. So take down the notes, and hope you like this video. If you like it, give me the like button, press the like button over that, and means icon, and also give your comment. One comment will definitely make one video more, and I have lots of video to make. Okay, you can't imagine that much subjects, and I will go to deal with. So please give like, put comment, then also share this video to your friends, and please subscribe my channel Crusader the Guardian. Okay, thank you very much.